What's going on, my good people? It's your big homie Leonard back again with another video, and today we're about to go sneaker shopping. See, my guy AD down in Macon, Georgia got a consignment shop named Stusa, so we finna go check it out, see what he have, because he been shut down doing a lot of remodeling. So we finna just go get some footage, hopefully pick up something dope and bring it back to the house and show y'all guys. But before we head out, man, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you want any tips, advice, or reviews on anything sneaker and streetwear related. So let's go ahead and head out. Just made my purchase, man. Now I'm finna go with my boy. He finna go take me to a taco spot. He said it's one of the best taco spots down here. So we go ahead and see what they hitting like. I ain't gonna lie, that be with him. While I'm down here, I might as well hit up KB, see what they got. See if I get something for retail. You know, they always get a shipment late. Finally, man, we back at the crib. After KB's, I ended up dropping my camera, throwing my whole mood off. I really didn't want to record no more. You know, I get like that sometimes, though. Attitude. My attitude ridiculous. But anyway, man, while I was at Stusa, I ended up picking up a sneaker I actually took an L on. Then the restock, I took another L, but I finally got it for a price that I was willing to pay for it. And that's the Nike Dunk in black and white. But yeah, man, it's a black and white Dunk. Not too much to say about it. I mean, I haven't bought a Dunk since 2010, so I'm glad I actually picked up a Dunk finally, and I'm gonna add this to my collection. I also picked up something else too. It's for my son. LJ, come here.
Yes.
Got something for you.
What?
Tell the camera what's up.
What's up, bros? LJ too hype here.
Check it out.
Wait.
Bag it up so they can see. What you think about them?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Got your approval?
Thank you.
But we finna wrap it up, man. Tell the folks what they need to do.
Subscribe to the channel.
And give a
like button.
Hit that like button. And until next time, it's your what?
Big homie.
It's your big homie.